I've got some BMW news for you guys. So BMW Canada is releasing a 2023 M Performance Edition M440i. These are some pretty special cars. They're gonna be limited to 100 production units, 5 different individual colors, 20 units of each one. Each color has a certain wheel combination with merino leather on the inside. They're basically fully loaded with a bunch of M Performance parts put in at an excellent price for you guys. So base MSRP is gonna be just under $90,000 for this equipment package with optional laser light headlights for $1,500. Totaling in the package, if you want to build this car normally, you're looking at like $9,000 worth of savings on these parts. So I'm going to walk you guys through the product bulletin and all the information I have on these super special M440s. Now, my store is getting 3 allocations for this. We're going to be getting a red one, a blue one, and a green one. So let me walk you guys through all the details that you need to know. Let's get into it.
Okay, so on the first page of the product bulletin, BMW just talks about the exclusiveness of the vehicle. They're only going to be making 100 units, pairing with the individual paintwork and the individual merino leather. There's the addition of the M Performance parts, including the M Performance exhaust and the 20-inch wheels. Now, these are all going to be X-Drive Coupe variants of the 4 Series of the M440. Now, the main thing to keep in note here is production was running since July through November. So all these cars are already built and they're about to hit dealerships. The retail launch is rolling, meaning that we can deliver these cars as soon as they arrive at the dealership. My system is showing that the 3 that we're getting are all set in Halifax right now, so it'll probably be a delivery in February. Moving on to the next page, so the 5 individual paintworks that we're going to have is Irish Green, Voodoo Blue, Velvet Blue Metallic, which is actually a purple, Rosso Corsa Red, and Grigo Telesto Metallic, which is a gray. Hard to say. Pretty cool colors. There's going to be 2 different wheel options. They're both going to be the 795M style wheels, either in matte black or the Ferrari gray, depending on the paint option. As far as M Performance parts, we're going to be having the carbon fiber kidney grills and the carbon fiber front lip. The other M Performance parts are including the M Performance exhaust system, the carbon fiber rear spoiler, and the black model badge at the back, as well as the 50th anniversary emblems. Now, between the 5 paint colors, there's going to be 3 individual interior options. We have Tartuffe, Vajord Blue and Black, and just pure black merino leather. So the color combinations are going to work like this. The red exterior is going to get a black interior with black wheels. The green exterior is going to get the Tartuffe brown interior with the Ferrari gray wheels. The Voodoo Blue exterior is going to get the black merino leather with the Ferrari gray wheels. The purple exterior is going to have black interior with the Ferrari gray wheels. And the last combination is going to be the gray exterior with the blue and black interior and the black wheels. So the equipment that's going to be coming on these M440s is going to be the Premium Enhanced package with the Digital Cockpit Professional for the larger infotainment screen, wireless device charging, carbon fiber interior trim, 50th year emblems, high gloss black exterior content, the M Technology package, which is the larger front brake disc and the additional engine oil cooler. BMW laser light headlights are going to be optional. On 2 of our vehicles we have the laser lights and one of them do not have the laser lights for the cars that we have incoming. And in addition to all that factory content, the M Performance parts are going to be the 20-inch M Performance wheels, exhaust, the carbon fiber front lip, the carbon fiber rear spoiler, the carbon fiber kidney grills with surround in black mesh, and the carbon fiber gloss black model badge at the back. Now, overall, I am super excited for these cars. Not are they individual paintworks, but if you tried to price and build this car yourself, you're looking at $96,950. But with this special package, the MSRP is going to be $89,950. Therefore, you're saving $7,000 worth of equipment by getting this special package. Not to mention that these cars are going to be in stock, where all other M440 Coupe factory orders are going to be about 6 to an 8-month wait time.
Alright, thank you guys so much for watching this video. I hope you guys found this information useful. If you're in the Toronto marketplace and you're looking to secure one of these vehicles, send me an email down below ASAP, as soon as possible. If you know somebody who's in the marketplace, share this video with them. If you're interested in any other BMW, reach out to me at any time. Thank you guys so much, and smash the like button, subscribe to the channel, and I'll see you next time.